government cannot remain adamant. It should take the responsibility to call these teachers in a table for talks and to find out a solution for the betterment not only of these teachers but the state as a whole. See, the key issue has stated clearly that the use of excessive force by the police on these protesting teachers is likely violating the law. So it has also come to the knowledge that there were no police female police personnel present at the time when the rally was going on. So I would like to ask the government in which book of the law has it stated that a male police personnel can assault or can use excessive force on the protesting teachers, especially the women, especially the pregnant women. So from the union will be demanding for action taken against those police personnel and especially the officers who have given the order to use excessive force and tear gas.